The chapters of this tutorial explain how to scale an artwork on the wall, how to frame it, how to tint the edges with no frame, and how to align them in the curating process with guides. Scale it. If you want to display an artwork larger or smaller than its real size from the first tab, but keep the actual dimensions for the catalog and in the detail view, you can scale it with a factor in the third tab. 2 will make it twice larger, but a factor of 2.6 or so also works. Save the edit and then go back into the exhibition, reloading the page so the scale can be updated. If you want to shrink an artwork, use a value below 1 as the scaling factor. Frame it. Frames and passepartouts, or mats, are also added in the third tab of an artwork. 3 thicknesses of frames are available. You can pick the color from the wheel in that section and also copy the number code from a master color chart. Passepartouts or mats are assigned in the section below the frames. You need to add the values from the first tab to the size of the passepartout, making the value in the third tab here the final outer size of your mat, as if you had the actual cardboard to cut out from. We have added 10 centimeters to the size from the first tab as an example here. The image will be centered automatically within the mat. Snap it to the grid. When you want to align your artworks exactly in height on the wall, use the grid system. It is activated when you are in the detail mode of an artwork, and then when activating the grid at the bottom of the screen. If you want the artwork to snap to those, activate the button next to it and you will see the guides, with the distance to the other work or the nearest edge. Tint the sides without a frame. To just color the default white edges of a 2D artwork, you assign no frame and no passepartout, but just pick a color from the wheel in the passepartout segment of the form. This will then wrap around the depth that you assigned in the first tab of the artwork, but create no frame on the work. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Please make sure to check out all of our how-to tutorials. And in case you can't find what you're looking for, you can always contact us via the contact form on our website. Feel free to subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss any new tutorials.